Hey, what's going on guys, it's Abhi the Tech Guy here and I'm back with another video. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can get Apple's iPhone 14 dynamic island feature on your Android phone. So it's funny that Apple is actually calling it as a main feature of iPhone 14 this year. Like it's a physical feature, but it's a software feature. But thanks to the Android developers, now we have the same feature on the Android device, and it's for free. So it's just an application you have to download and you're good to go. You can use the features. So if we go to Play Store, just search for dynamic spot, and here you can see the second one, dynamic island dynamic spot. Just click on that and you can see this is the application. You have to download it. There is also a paid version of this, or I guess you can pay it in the app later, but we're gonna go with the free version. So let's open it up. So there we go. Okay, setting it up. Next. So we have to give this permission to these following access to these following permissions, I guess so let's just give them access. Select apps, saying which app I'm gonna use, so I'm gonna select all and select back. One is done, and now we have notification access. And now here we gonna select this dynamic spot, allow, and draw on screen. Next. Okay, now what we have to do is installed apps. Okay, dynamic spot and on, allow. Okay, so that's done. So now what we're gonna do is click on done, and now okay, so this is that is the feature of the iPhone 14 Pro, the dynamic island Apple so-called. So now that our dynamic island feature is completed and now we have it on our phone, so what we have to do is, okay, so now if I play a song, let's see how it reacts to this. There we go. As you guys can see here, now I have that Apple thingy. Now let's see if it works like that or not. If we hold that, it's gonna pop up a widget or something. Let's see. Yes, it's working. See how a 2 MB file can have this features, Apple so-called. Okay, next thing, there we can see, okay, we can operate it on the both side. So let's just explore the app a bit. So we have settings, dimensions. Okay, we can also edit the dimensions. So okay, we can select it to the back. Okay, we can select it to our desired position. But for me, the default dimensions were okay, so maybe I will leave it right like that. So that is it guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and please make sure to subscribe to my channel, and kindly like this video, share it, and enjoy that dynamic island feature on your Android phone. And that's it guys, peace.